You're okay. I'll check it in a minute. Yeah, your knee hit the concrete.
I'm videotaping.
You gotta stay up on there, are you?
Yeah, don't be yelling.
Amber, lay on your belly and do it. No. You went farther.
Did you record me?
Well, listen to that laugh. Amber, you done worse by laughing. Go, Malia, go. Now, do it without that. Yeah. Do it just like you did a little bit ago. But stay on it. Don't hit your knee on it, on the concrete. Go. You gotta stay up that way.
Why are you sideways like that?
Go, Amber.
Some person stop recording me.
I'm not recording.
She's not recording.
Yes, you are.
Listen to that laugh.
Stop making fun of my laugh.
I
don't care how I laugh.
Clap for me, Amber.
No, shut up.
Go, your turn. Your turn.
Give me a minute.
Come on, turn the water off. Well, you'll be done. Go on, Malia. You can do it. Go ahead. All right, all the way. Good job. You tape it?
Yeah.
Ow! Ow! You're not even right. I probably got to stop and watch everybody see it.
Wait until she hears you laughing.
I don't care.
Make sure you put that on Facebook. I want to see it.
What's going
Stop,
on?
enough of it. Now there ain't no more slip slide. Stop recording me.
Now, Pep, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Stop recording me.
Do it again. Let Peppa watch it. Ready?
Go really, really fast.
Go. Stay on the mat. There you go. She skinned her knee on that concrete once.
Where's your pillow?
She can't do it with a pillow. Nobody can. Try it, Amber, with a pillow. Go, Malia. Go.
With that, you're going to fall like concrete.
Don't run on that.
Who's laughing? Did ever get splashed?
Yeah, this thing don't work.
Okay, move.
Wow.
Why does she, once she gets halfway there, then she starts running off field? She needs to try.